Search for empirical studies using the Clovis Community College Library's research databases. Select the Research Databases link on the library webpage. Then scroll down the page to select the PsychARTICLES database, which provides full-text, peer-reviewed articles from the American Psychological Association. For off-campus access, log in using your student ID number and Canvas password. On the main page of the database, select the Advanced Search link. Use the search boxes to begin composing your search. You can use Boolean operators and, or, and not to let the database know what terms to include or exclude from your search. Additional filters will further refine your search. You can narrow down to just peer-reviewed journal articles or choose a range of publication dates. Further down the page is a special filter available in this database that allows you to limit to empirical studies. Scroll down the page and choose Methodology. From the drop-down menu, select Empirical Study. Your search results will include items that fall within the advanced search parameters entered. Click on a title for a detailed record page and reading options. The record provides publication information and an abstract, a summary of an article. You can read the full article under the Access Options drop-down menu. Check for the following elements to identify empirical studies. An introduction. Methods. Results. Discussion. And references. Save articles using the tools provided by the database, such as the Share or Download buttons. Or you can create a free personal EBSCO account to save articles while you're signed in.